Good afternoon, all. Today we're going to talk about how to solve ridiculous customer requirements where they don't want any cables visible. And so we're going to solve that by running just one cable from the main data switch. And let's just say this is the network cable. So we're going to route that into a POE injector, and that's 24 volts DC is what we're injecting. So this is 802.3 mode B, feeding a MikroTik router board 951, which is POE capable, mode B only. POE input is only on port 1. POE output is only available on port 5. So we're coming out of port 5, going back into port 1 of another access point, coming out port 5, going back into yet another, and we can keep going on as many access points as we need. Coming out, and again, this is POE 24 volts DC over here, plugging into this POE Extender combination Ethernet switch. I've got the extender function disabled. Instead, I'm feeding this switch, powering this switch with a 48 volt power source. And so now the POE outputs of this switch are 802.3 mode B 48 volt. Here we're feeding 48 volts to this outdoor access point, as well as a phone, which you can see is powered up. So now our final task will be, and our question is, can we bridge port 1 and port 5 of these MikroTik RB951s? Can we bridge them together so that will pass all our traffic on one single subnet? So that's the question we're about to get into on part 2 of this video.